Section 10.3, the present value of an annuity. We're looking at a whole set of payments at the end of each month or the end of each period. And we usually will know what the amount of a payment is. We will know the future value of something. And what we're trying to calculate is the present value. So we're going to try to find this present value. Well, a lot of times what we're looking at is an amount of money that we're going to need to get to a certain future value, or an amount of money that we've borrowed and an amount of payments to get to a future value. So if we're looking at a loan, so for a loan, once the last payment of a loan is paid, the future value is 0. And we can also say, so for retirement, okay, we're going to get some income, and after a period of time, the future value is going to be 0. It can't go on forever, and eventually there's going to be a point in time where there's no money left. So we'll take a look at, on page 399, question number 8. It says, a new loan at 9% compounded quarterly requires quarterly payments of $727.88. So we have a loan as a whole bunch of payments, and each payment is $727.88. And this will work for an annuity because every payment's equal. And this is going to be for 7 years. So the duration of the loan is 7 years. This is year 0, this is year 7, and in the end, because it's a loan, its future value will be 0. At the end, you won't owe any additional money. The question is, how much was borrowed? So we have to take each of these payments, move it back in time to here, our future value, move it back in time to here. Luckily, our future value is 0. So we can simply use our calculator. Looking at the value here, we say our future value was 0. There's nothing owed at the end of the loan. Our payment is negative $727.88. We paid $727.88 every period. I per Y, well, our interest rate is 9% quarterly. Put that here, 9% quarterly. So this is 9 over 4, 2.25. And this is going to be our 7 years times 4 times a year, because that's when our payments are. So we're paying quarterly. So 28. And we're going to compute the present value. So 0 as a future value, $727.88 negative as a payment, 2.25 I per Y as interest, 28 N as the number of payments, and we're going to compute the present value to be 15,000 or 0.03. It's probably $15,000 with a small amount of rounding every period. What we're going to notice here is this N, this is the number of payments. Number of payments. Okay. It's really the number of periods with a payment each period.